Institute. We are setting up envelopes for the escape room. Previous videos have already set up envelopes 1 through 3. We are currently on envelope number 4. Please make sure that you label this with envelope number 4 and the color code for each of your groups. You will be setting up 10 of each envelope. So this is envelope number 4. You can see in highlights the things that we will be putting in this envelope. We're going to start first of all with puzzle 10. Now puzzle 10 is a full-size color sheet. They shouldn't need to write on this because in order to solve this puzzle, they will actually be using a piece of cellophane which will help them to read the puzzle. So these are the things that need to go in the envelope. So in envelope number 4, you are going to need to place a piece of red cellophane. A little trickier to get in there, depending on the flimsiness of the cellophane. And puzzle number 10, that's going to need to be folded and placed in envelope 4. The next thing that needs to be in place is puzzle 11. This is what puzzle 11 looks like. They're going to need to use their periodic table to do this. So each group should have a periodic table when they get started so that they can do this puzzle as well as some of the other puzzles it's helpful for. So they're going to take this, we're going to take this and we're going to fold this, and that is going to go in envelope number 4. Then we are going to need some information about the titration. That is actually going to come from the red cellophane and puzzle 10. They will simply go to the titration table and they are going to titrate and put in order put it in pH order from strongest to weakest. And they should be able to come up with lockbox code number 3, which is these solutions in order from strongest to weakest. That code is going to go right here. So it's going to be D7A4C2. They're going to bring this up. That's going to be the conclusion of envelope number 4. So this is going to go also in envelope number 4. If you have any questions about this envelope, please make sure that you email us your questions and we will put them and answer them in the FRQ.